Hello, and welcome to our first lecture, Introduction to Chatbots. For this class, we're going to learn about what is a chatbot and how does it look like. Also, we will talk about the different types of chatbots and their advantages. So, what exactly is a chatbot? A chatbot is a service powered by rules and sometimes artificial intelligence that you interact with via chat interface, or simply put, a computer program that simulates human conversation through voice command or by text chat. I would like to visually show you what a chatbot looks like. Nowadays, chatbots can be found on an array of messaging platforms and they are continuously replacing apps. In fact, there are over 300,000 chatbots on Facebook Messenger. You can search for a company's personal chatbot and communicate with it during any time. Smart chatbots can interact with you, and if you have any problems, a chatbot can help you solve it. But in reality, the concept of chatbots is much wider. There are three types of bots: rule-based, intellectually independent bots, and AI-powered chatbots. A rule-based chatbot is the most basic type of chatbot on the market today. In most cases, these chatbots are glorified decision tree hierarchies presented to the user in the form of buttons, similar to the automated phone menus we all interact with on almost a daily basis. These chatbots require the user to make several selections to dig deeper towards the ultimate answer. Intellectually independent chatbots are bots that are based on machine learning. This relies on training a neural network to think for itself by providing it with thousands or perhaps even millions of examples of whatever it is you want it to be able to do. It improves itself over time, and it is mostly used for entertainment and science. AI-powered chatbots are rule-based chatbots mixed with AI. These types of bots have predefined possible scenarios that can be interrupted at any moment by free text. Using natural language processing, a chatbot can understand the intent of the message, ask for additional information needed for an answer, and can be trained to remember the context of a conversation. For example, when speaking to an AI-powered law chatbot, this chatbot would be able to create and save your legal documents. Also, you may ask any law question and they will be able to provide you with answers immediately. Now that we're all caught up to speed on what a chatbot is, it would be right to ask the next question: where can bots be launched? The chatbot ecosystem runs deep and they can be launched in almost every messaging platform, from Facebook Messenger, Twilio, Slack, Skype, Telegram, and so on. Also, there are voice chatbots or voice assistant skills, which are developed for Amazon Alexa and Google Home voice assistants. To watch how it works, click on the link description. And now, let's move to our final lesson topic, the Chatbot Advantages. Growing popularity of messengers. The growing popularity of messengers is hard to deny. The Global Index Statistics says that 75% of internet users stick to one or a few messengers. People are starting to use messengers to chat with their friends, relatives, connect with different brands, search for products, and look for some content. Recent studies show that messengers are more popular and have higher rates than apps. Additionally, most of the users are of a younger age group, which are actually a highly important demographic for advertisers, publishers, and brands. Most popular global mobile messenger apps as of April 2018, based on the number of monthly active users. Facebook Messenger has 1.3 billion people, with WeChat with 1 billion people, Skype with 300 million people, Kik with also 300 million people, Viber with 260 million people, Telegram with 200 million people. Better customer engagement. In today's fast-paced world, people love when everything is done instantly, and that means that companies have to figure out how to accelerate their businesses to not fall behind others. There is no denying that the faster you can respond to a potential deal, the more likely the odds you will have to close the deal. People are not willing to wait on the hours to go by to only receive a response from their email. From a Harvard Business Review, firms that tried to contact potential customers within an hour of receiving a query were nearly 7 times as likely to qualify the lead, which we define as having a meaningful conversation with a key decision maker. As to those that tried to contact the customer even an hour later, were more than 60 times as likely than companies that had waited 24 hours or longer. Interface. Interface is one of the most important factors that keeps customers engaged. Chatbots are built in chat messengers, and that's why a chatbot interface will be intuitively understandable for users, since they use messengers every day to be connected with family, relatives, and friends. This gives a business the opportunity to reach people on a platform which they trust, and creates a conversation that feels natural and makes users feel at ease and confident when using your services or buying your product. Efficient employee. In 2017, large brands, as well as even small businesses, were implementing chatbots to the work to simplify the working operations. You may think of a chatbot as a trusted and reliable employee, always on time, always there to help, always accurate, and it's working while your employees are distracted, busy, or asleep. Once set, a chatbot will perform the task it has been built to do, without fail, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. The business sets up something similar to a call center where real people are chatting online all day long. And this isn't cost effective, and 99% of businesses can never do this. It is clear that customers will choose the vendor that requires less spending and less effort to get in touch with them and provide faster support. Open rate. Nowadays, social networks are a powerful platform for advertising. Its open and click-through rates are phenomenal. And the average chat messenger open rate is nearly 80 to 90% compared to 20% for email. And the average CTR or click-through rate is 30%, while email CTR is only raking in 3.3%. No apps needed. Today, people's phones are already bogged down with memory-consuming apps. To use a chatbot, you won't need to download any app in particular. They use your existing messengers such as Facebook, Telegram, Slack, Kik, and WhatsApp. Over the past few years, the app market has been filled with all kinds of apps for shopping, traveling, socializing, dating, delivery services, music, and so on. It's nice to have such a variety of apps, but according to recent statistics, people aren't downloading new apps as often as they used to. Therefore, it's better to deal with a number of chatbots than with a ton of apps. Lead qualification. A bot communicates with users, providing them with the necessary information and understands individuals' needs to offer the best matching solutions. At the same time, a chatbot qualifies leads so employees won't spend time on leads that would eventually turn out to be dead ends. A bot would simply ask a person a few questions to gather the necessary data and details about them. Afterwards, information and details about a lead will be automatically sent and added to your client's database or CRM. And believe me, there are many more advantages that chatbots can bring to your business. And that's it. That was our introduction to chatbots. And in our next lecture, we will talk about different industries and how they can benefit from chatbots. And also, I will show you some successful real-world examples. So, see you in the next lecture.